1. 1986 Ford F-150 4x4, $1,000, Russian River, California. This 1986 Ford F-150 is a 4x4 pickup with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It has over 800,000 miles, a clean title, and no catalytic converter. The 4x4 system works, and it comes with a lumber rack and locking toolbox. The $1,000 price is a bargain for a reliable work truck despite its high mileage. Number 2. 1989 Ford F-250 4x4, $4,995, Bend, Oregon. This 1989 Ford F-250 is a 4x4 pickup with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in good condition with over 200,000 miles, working power windows, AC, and aftermarket dual exhaust. The $4,995 price is fair for a well-maintained classic Ford with a clean title. 3. 1981 Ford F-350 Dually, $3,500, Willow Lake, South Dakota. This 1981 Ford F-350 is a dually flatbed pickup with a 351M V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It runs and drives well, but needs a windshield and has some rust on the cab corners. The $3,500 price is reasonable for a heavy-duty work truck with a clean title. 4. 1986 Ford F-150 Bullnose, $4,500, Townsend, Montana. This 1986 Ford F-150 is a 4x4 pickup with a 302 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's the last year of the Bullnose front end and has had significant work done in the last 5 years. The $4,500 price reflects its good condition and clean title. 5. 1983 Ford Ranger XL Diesel, $5,500, early Texas. This 1983 Ford Ranger is a rare factory diesel model with a 2.2-liter Perkins 4-135 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's slow but fuel-efficient with 63,000 miles and a clean title. The $5,500 price reflects its uniqueness and condition. 6. 1985 Nissan 720 4x4, $8,000, Vacaville, California. This 1985 Nissan 720 is a 4x4 pickup with a 4-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. It's well maintained with upgrades like 33-inch tires, a new water pump, and a fresh tune-up. The $8,000 price is fair for a reliable and capable classic Nissan. 7. 1986 Ford F-350 flatbed. $3,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1986 Ford F-350 is a 1-ton flatbed truck with a 4.9-liter inline-six engine and a manual transmission. It has 48,000 miles, new tires, and recent maintenance. The $3,000 price is a bargain for a solid work truck with a clean title. 8. 1987 Toyota truck, 2,500, Peyton, Colorado. This 1987 Toyota is a 2WD pickup with a 22R 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. It's in good condition with no rust and a strong running engine. The $2,500 price is fair for a reliable classic Toyota with a clean title. 9. 1985 Ford F-250 4x4, $7,150, Springfield, Oregon. This 1985 Ford F-250 is a 3/4-ton 4x4 pickup with a 460 cubic inch V8 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. It's in good condition with 95,000 miles and no rust. The $7,150 price reflects its strong performance and clean title. 10. 1974 Ford F-100 Custom, $5,950, Ukiah, California. This 1974 Ford F-100 is a 4x4 pickup with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It runs on propane and has a Mad Max vibe but needs some work, including power steering and windshield sprayer repairs. The $5,950 price reflects its unique character and clean title. 11. 1974 Chevrolet 4x4 pickup, $7,500, Meridian, Idaho. This 1974 Chevrolet is a 4x4 pickup with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It features a 6-inch lift kit, headers, and a Holley intake. The $7,500 price is fair for a well-maintained classic Chevy with a clean title. 12. 1990 4x4 flatbed, $750, Sequim, Washington. This 1990 4x4 flatbed truck has a 6-cylinder engine with potential engine issues, blown head gasket, or cracked block. The $750 price is a bargain for a project or parts vehicle with a clean title. 13. 1973 Chevrolet 454 square body, $5,600, Boise, Idaho. This 1973 Chevrolet is a square body pickup with a 454 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's a rolling rig with no title, motor, or front clip, but includes a transmission, transfer case, and differentials. The $5,600 price reflects its potential as a project truck.